Rustam Skhatbievich Assakalov, Russian, CAB0E0B 18528 GAA00, 2. Born 13 July 1984 in Russia, is a Russian naturalized Uzbekistani Greco-Roman wrestler of Adyg heritage who competed at the 2015 World Wrestling Championships in the men's Greco-Roman 85 kg, in which he won a silver medal. Also, he is Russian nationals bronze medalist 2009. His younger brother Bislan Assakalov of Russia is World Cadet Champion. References